สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to cook หมูปิ้ง In Thai หมู means pork, ปิ้ง means to grill. So you get it right. It's going to be grilled pork skewers. And to make it even better than the normal recipe, I will add coconut milk. I will start with pork meat, and today I'm using pork collar and pork hip because it's got a really nice flavor and fat. I don't need pork loin because it's too lean and it's not going to be juicy at all after grilling. I'm going to slice it about this thick, I guess for about 3 to 5 millimeters. After that, I will put it in a small bowl and I'm ready to make the delicious marinade. I start with cilantro root. I'm going to finely chop it to make it easier to pound in a mortar. If you don't have or you can't find it, it's okay to just skip it. We also need garlic, coriander seeds, and ground white pepper. Let's peel the garlic by adding it into the mortar and crush it with a pestle. Like that, it's very easy to remove the skin. Next, I will add chopped cilantro roots, coriander seeds, and ground white pepper. And pound it until it becomes a completely fine paste. This is the base to marinate meat in Thai cooking. You can do like this for grilling, stir frying, or deep frying. Your meat will be absolutely delicious. Now, once the paste is fine enough, it's time to mix it with some palm sugar and fish sauce. I use the pestle to mix until the sugar is dissolved and all combined together. And now, I'm going to pour the marinade all over the pork meat, then add cornstarch and about 1 tablespoon of neutral oil. Then I give it a mix until the flour is no more lump. I will add a little bit of sweet black soy sauce for a darker color. No need to add it too much, I just need the meat to have the color like this. One crucial step, while I prepare the meat, I will soak the wood skewers in the water for about 3 hours. So when I grill the meat, the skewers will not catch fire. And the last ingredient to make the pork meat even juicier and tastier is coconut milk. I will pour it all over the meat, then mix it gently to not break the pork slices shape. After this, I'm going to let it sit in the fridge for about 3 hours. 3 hours have passed. It's time to skewer the meat. I will use 3 to 4 slices of meat for each skewer. I think that will be a good size skewer for grilling. Something like that. Once it's done, let's put the pork skewers into a box or a tray. Lay each of the skewers flat so the pieces will hold their shape when we will go to grill it. It will be one nice long piece. Then let them sit overnight in the fridge, which will make them look nicer because the cornstarch has time to absorb all the liquid and hold the pieces together. Hello again, it's grilling time. Today I will use local barbecue, as you can see here. This is very local Thai style barbecue. For the heat, I will not use it too high because there is sugar in the marinade, right? So that will make it very easy to burn. Well, let's get started. The charcoal is ready, so let's grill it. After I place the skewers on the grill, I will brush some coconut milk all over the meat to make it smell even better. And let it cook for just a few minutes. Then I will flip it and brush it with some coconut milk again. I'm serious, don't skip the coconut milk brushing part. You would miss an absolutely amazing smell and a much tastier and juicier meat. Keep an eye on the meat. Don't let it burn until the color turns to a beautiful yellow-brown color like this. And you know what? It's even better served with sticky rice. If you want to know how to cook a perfect sticky rice, check link above. If you made it that far, that means you love grilled meat, so go check หมูย่างน้ำจิ้มแจ่ว You will love it too. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย